Okay, hey, what's going on, YouTubers and World Wide Web, guys? If you're actually on this video, it's because you want to know a lot or a little bit more about safe list marketing and traffic exchanges, right? And obviously, I don't think I have to go through the importance of being able to advertise and generate more traffic for your business, okay? So what we're going to talk about today, guys, is how to advertise using safe lists, how to advertise using traffic exchanges, and some of the benefits of actually using safe lists and traffic exchanges to advertise. Outside of the fact that you can generate a lot more traffic and a lot more leads. Now, one of the things that I want to mention also is the fact that inside of what I'm about to introduce you guys to is an actual downline builder. So it'll actually enable you to start getting more traffic, more leads, and possibly even some passive and residual income in the process because of the way we're going to set this up. Now, one of the things I want to make clear is the fact that even though you're probably already using safe lists and traffic exchanges, one of the problems I had with them in the past, and still until I created what I'm about to introduce you guys to, is going all over the World Wide Web, and my email inbox being infiltrated, if you will, with just one offer after the other, just in terms of different safe lists and traffic exchanges you can use. And so my goal inside of the 1 Million Ways to Market membership and all the actual funnels that I actually set up is to actually streamline the advertising process, to streamline the actual process for generating more traffic and more leads, and to streamline it by putting it all in one place. Okay, you guys oftentimes hear me talk about standard operational procedure. And what I mean by that is simply having a designated location that you can have bookmarked on your desktop or on your computer that you can go to simply go in and do what you have to do every single day. No distraction, all from one website, from a few simple clicks of your mouse. And so you're actually streamlining the process of what it is you're doing. You're saving so much time when you actually have instant access to all the different resources that you need to be using on a day-to-day basis. And so that's exactly what I've done inside of my directory, guys. So anyway, we're talking about safe list marketing. I'm going to leave this link below, so you guys want to read a little bit more about safe list marketing, right? You can do that. And we also talk about traffic exchanges, very similar. Just understand that when you are able to use them, and you can use these safe lists and traffic exchanges absolutely free, by the way, and there are lots of great advertising you will find in the exchange and inside the directory that I'm about to actually give you. So what we want to do is actually streamline and simplify our advertising process. Okay, we want to have a place we can go, whether it's once a week, twice a week, 2 times a week, however often you decide, right, or where this fits into your standard operational procedure, and thus you'll be able to actually do that very simply and easy. So guys, what I did, like everything that I do, is I actually built an actual marketing system around the actual directory. You guys can have the directory absolutely free. It's not going to cost you a penny to pick up this directory, guys, and it's going to actually you have an opportunity to double, triple, quadruple your exposure. Simple, right? The more places you can place ads, then of course you can double and triple and quadruple the amount of exposure you get, thus hopefully being able to generate more leads, referrals, and sales for your business. Okay, guys, so the capture page that I actually created is the one that you're looking at right now, one that most of you guys probably came through. And if you did, guys, you ended up on the actual page that I set up that actually redirects to our actual page, where we're going to be talking about the traffic exchange, right? And the different directories. This is directory, actually. This is traffic exchange and safe list at its finest, guys. I call it my 1 million ways to market. Right, this is my actual this is my the Unstuck in Traffic Safe Listings Traffic Exchange directory. And again, simple, easy, free. You can pick it up anytime that you want. You're on the actual page right now, so all the share codes to actually import this actual page into your Leads Leap account are on this page. And when you get ready, guys, you can actually simply start going to each and every or any of the traffic exchanges and safe lists of your choice and placing your ads, thus getting more exposure, more traffic, and hopefully more leads, sales, and signups for your business. Now, what I want you guys to do as we go through this page, if you guys should opt to use the directory to pass on to help build our team, to help build your team, right? We're talking about team building. I want you to personalize this entire page. Make it your own, okay? Say what you want to say. In the last video, I talked about even being able to create your own product based on a directory such as this, right? And in that video, what I was talking about was the fact that a lot of times people think creating product or product creation is so involved, but it's really not, guys. If you can take a series or a set of business or services that you can provide to other people, right, that you don't even have to create, but you can actually set up inside a directory such as this, then you, in essence, have just created your own product, just like I did inside the Rock the Funnel, Unstuck, and Traffic Safelist and Traffic Exchange directory, guys, okay? And once you start joining these actual Safelist and Traffic Exchanges, you can simply take your affiliate link for the different traffic exchange or Safelist and make it your own. Now, what's the benefit of that? Well, number one, guys, when you're going to get more exposure for yourself anyway, just by advertising in the different platforms. But as you introduce these other platforms to other internet marketers on our team, right, what's going to happen is sometimes there are great incentives to upgrade inside of these Safelist and Traffic Exchanges. As an affiliate of these Safelist and Traffic Exchanges, you can earn a commission on each and every one. So think big, right? Imagine if you just took a portion of these actual Safelist and Traffic Exchanges, upgraded to one of the actual upgrades of your choice to get more traffic, and then our team, your team, starts to follow you into that same traffic exchange safe list to buy traffic. Okay, we're traffic brokers. Okay, that's what we really are. And you earn a commission on them, right? Yeah, very simple and easy to do. If you have the time, join all of them. Join half of them. Join a third of them. The point is, as we grow our teams and they do the same thing, and then they actually purchase, advertise it inside the particular safe list or upgrade in the safe list or the traffic exchange, you'll earn a commission. Now, what are we doing? We're perpetuating the growth of our business. We're perpetuating the amount of exposure, right, that we're able to get, because that's what we want, more exposure, right? Thus, we can double the amount of traffic or the exposure, or triple it or quadruple it, right, in terms of the actual amount of traffic that we're able to generate, because we're perpetuating it every step of the way. And guys, remember, we're perpetuating it from one simple platform. The directory here has all of the actual, they're all listed. So you go in here, you bookmark this on your computer, on your desktop. And every week or every day, however often you want to go in and advertise, guys, okay? Go in and advertise. I like to end this video by saying something I heard Jeff Amon say, that he actually heard, oh, it was a quote from Henry Ford. A man who stops advertising to save money is like a man who tries to stop a clock to save time, right? You can advertise in here free. There's some great paid ways to advertise inside this directory. And guys, here's the other thing I want you guys to understand. You can also include your primary biz ops. You know, if you want to talk about a bonus affiliate offer on this page, once you edit it out, talk about it, guys. Perpetuate the growth of your business through your marketing. And you can do it on this page. You can do it with the simple click of your mouse a few times, and you're done. Remember, we're going to personalize this page if you want to. So this is actually your page. All you have to do, guys, to actually pick up the page. If you're a member of Leads Leap, go ahead on and just pick up the actual share codes that's on this page. If you're not, guys, then join Leads Leap, and I will send you guys, if you're watching this on YouTube, the link to the actual page, or you'll have it because it's right here on this page. Okay, guys. So, guys, thanks for sitting in on the video. If you want to generate more traffic, you want to generate more leads, you want to promote your primary biz op, you want to create downline builders, you want to create an opportunity to create some extra passive and or residual income, guys, traffic exchanges and safe lists are a great way to do it. You can do it inside of the actual funnel that I actually built, guys. And so I'm going to go ahead and welcome you guys, my action takers, into the actual Lead Lead platform so we can get you guys started. Thanks so much for sitting on the video, guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Let's get high.